Step 01. At search bar, type Settings. Then left-click Settings. Step 02. In Settings, left-click Time and Language. Left-click Language and Region. Left-click Add Language. As this demo, type Hong Kong left-click Chinese Traditional Hong Kong, SAR as in this video, click Next. Left check Language Pack and Enhanced Speech Recognition. Left-click Install. Step 03. Left-click, and then left-click Language Options. Left-click Download to downloading at Basic Typing, Handwriting, Text-to-Speech, Basic Speech Recognition, and waiting for installed. Fast forward. Downloading is very slow. Step 04. In Settings, select Time and Language. Select Language and Region. On Chinese Traditional, Hong Kong, SAR. Left-click, Left Language Options. Step 05. In Options, select Keyboards. Left-click Add Keyboard. Left-click Microsoft Chinese Traditional DaYi. Step 06. As in this video, left-click right bottom corner to change the Chinese input method. Make sure select from
英
to
中
to type the Chinese.